Welcome to Symbol Tech Working Bench. So today I was playing with this NE555 IC, and I come out with these two schematics. So practically what I have here, I have two schematics different. So both of them are driving a relay, 12 volts relay. So practically for my power supply that I made in the previous video, you can find it over here if you don't see it yet. So that power supply is just doesn't have any protection for short circuit and for the output line. So practically I want to do, when I power on the power supply, the banana plugs from the output to don't have any power on until I will not fix the exactly voltage that I need, and then just pressing this button I activate this relay and it's giving me out the port. Then this one, it will gonna go for the short circuit protection. So practically I'm coming back from the banana plug, the minus from the load, and it will gonna be attached over here, and in case that there is a short circuit, this transistor, it will gonna read the load on this resistor over here and activate generate a signal to the IC NE555, that it will gonna activate the relay and gonna stop the power in order to don't do any short circuits, to don't burn and to don't fry nothing inside the power supply. And then with this button here, I'm gonna reset the power back. So I try in the breadboard, so let me bring it out here and to make a demonstration. So practically there is not that much things that you need to do for this schematic. So practically a few resistors like 10Ks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then two transistors, 2N2222, one here and one here. This one is a BC547 because it's more sensitive on the base and read the variable resistor here. Then few resistor 1K, 2.2K, two LEDs, one green and one red, two push buttons, few capacitors like 100 nanofarads over there, 100 nanofarads over there, two diodes with the relays. So here on my schematic on the breadboard I add another transistor, so from here another 10K, the same things, only that I put another 6.8K here and with the LED, like that I know when the relay is on and when the relay is off. So let me bring that stuff here and I'm gonna make a demo. So practically this is what I was playing today. So I put this resistor is more in parallel to make more wattage in case of any hard load. I have the LED here that is telling me when it's on this relay over here, and I have the two LEDs, the green and red over there. So practically what that works, so this part here is the output protection. So only when I press the button it will gonna open the the port and give me power out from the power supply. And in case of short, that's the button over there that it will gonna reset this this relay over here. So practically when is everything alright, it's LED on, and when it goes in the short circuit, we're gonna turn on the red LED. So let me make a demonstration. So practically what I have here, I'm gonna bring the 12 volts in these two banana plugs. So let's power here, let's turn on my and let's have a look. So as I say, it is 12 volts on this stuff. So I have positive and I have the negative, which I have 12 volts 27. So this is the power. So I have positive, which is the blue one, and black, which is the ground. So you can see I have the green on over there. So I have the green on over here, and when I want to just turn on the output, I'm pressing this button, and I have here the output going on. And then let me just bring a load here in order that I can demonstrate better this how it works. So practically my 12 volts LED strip, and I have the ground that is one that is passing through the relays, and I say the positive, it will gonna goes to this positive here where I have another 12 volts. So let me just show you quickly. So the ground, as I say, is this one, and positive is the red one here. So here is the ground. So for the moment there is no power. When I turn on this output, so I have 12 volts exactly for the LED strip. Okay, so let's turn off this, and let's power off the LEDs to see better. So with the power, this one I can just turn it off. So this is the positive, goes to the positive over here, and for the moment, so let's see, I turn on my power supply and it goes turning on like that. Then I am regulating the voltage. Let's say I need like now 12 volts. When I'm happy with the 12 volts on display, I press this button and it's turn on the output. Then in case that the output goes in short, so this is negative and this is positive, if they go in short, how you can see now here, the green is turn off and the red is turn on. So now it's activate this relay in order to protect against the short circuit. If I reset this one, it's come back to normal, and then if I turn off the output, if I go to make short, there is no any short. So only after I turn on the output, it will gonna if in case that I have something short circuit, it's protecting all the circuit inside. Okay, so all this I'm gonna try to mount on this multi-hole PCBs. I'm gonna use two of these buttons like that. So the three LEDs over here, and I'm gonna mount them inside my power supply. So in the meantime, I prepared the place for the buttons here. I prepared also this small board where the buttons they were gonna be placed. Here button, another button here, and three LEDs on the top over there. And then I'm gonna start to mount all this stuff on this board here. So I set up everything in place, so it's gonna be like that, the board. So now I need to start to solder. So I'll solder, and then I'm gonna make all the traces from the board. So let's start to solder. everything in place. And let's give a try. So power off, then I need to reset it, and then I'm gonna bring my LED strip just for trial. So let's plug positive and negative over here. So you can see I have 12 volts set up, but until I will not press this button to turn on the output, it will not work. So this one turn off, back to 12 volt, turn on, turn off, turn on, and in case that I make any short, let's say to make a short, you can see now it's bringing me back the red, and if I press reset, it's go back to normal. So let me mount it back, everything in the case, and so it's all mounted back in the case, and let's try now to give a try to see how that works. So let's turn it on. Turn on, turn off. So it's 12 volts. So I have here my LED strip. So let me put the power on. So 12 volts, turn on, and if I try to make a short, let's see if it's working. So short, so you can see it's reset to red, so turn back to green. So that is the protection to the short circuit. Let's see now if these ports also do the same for the shortcuts. Let's turn off this one. Let's bring my other banana plugs. So ground. Let's try first the 3.3 volt. So turn on the ports and let's see. So you can see the red is flushed, so it's working for 3.3, 5 volt. So you can see 5 volts also as well. So the fixed 12 volts here. So also the 12 volts working. So I hope you don't get bored with this video. I hope you like it. And that's my video for today. That's my power supply that I finished, and the place it will gonna stay over there. Let's give another try. So I'm gonna put here the 12 volt. And looks like it's working. Let's try to make another short, and the short protection is working as well. So yes guys, this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, activate the notification bell, and see you for the next video.